Damn, Bill, what's making all this noise?
Yeah.
Hey, Louise. Act like you got a supercharger or something under the hood.
No, just a little vacuum.
Yeah, boys. Got old Bill back in town. Not that you didn't actually leave town, but you didn't,
Yeah.
Anyway. Yeah, how's the old car running? Liking the cold?
Not really.
No.
The boost likes it. But...
Yeah. For sure. It's a random project day today. We got all kinds of stuff going on. Got Logan's engine. You get those done yet?
Almost.
All right, come on now.
You check out them other seats good?
No, why?
Maybe I won't check them out before we go.
Yeah, I like those seats. Oh, we're swapping seats. Yeah, you need to go see the other seats.
I like the Corvo.
Let's go check them out. All right, boys, well, welcome back to the channel. It is the week of Christmas, and it's a freaking... We're just doing a little bit of everything, so... You don't ever know what's going to be in this video. We might even have Logan do calisthenics or something. I don't know. But for the moment, we're going to do a little SN95 seat swap.
I like them Corvos. Those look good in there, won't they?
Corbos. Yeah.
So clean up.
I think they look good.
Yeah.
And check out the driver's side. It didn't really have any wear. It was just... I think the bolster was a little... No, not really.
Oh, they're fine.
I guess I was thinking of something else.
They just need to be clean, that's all.
Yeah. They're comfortable though. Check them out before you swap them.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah.
Not too bad.
Those will look good in there.
It's SN95 life today. We've only put, this car's been sitting so long, and we've had 5 different sets of wheels on it, believe it or not, and it hasn't moved a single inch. But
I might have to take this one off his hands and...
I mean, it's a true Cobra.
Have it sit next to the blue one in the garage.
Yeah, it'll have a brand new handling built transmission in it. When we get that back, engine ran good. I mean, car's pretty stout for what it is.
It's just a 302, right?
Yeah. Yeah. All right, Corbo's out of the Cobra. We can just get Bill to get rocking here. You ain't got that mount yet?
No, I'm working on it. Not as quick as you did.
Right. Well, it was cold, so we worked a little faster.
Yeah.
Nose running, everything. So yeah, we're gonna swap some Corbos out. Logan, you get your motor mounts yet?
Nope, 130.
130, all right. And then we're gonna set Logan's little 306 on the K member. Where's your K member at? Oh, it's over there. You got them A-arms done?
Almost, looking for some pumps.
Alright, so we're gonna do some UPR tubular. I'm telling y'all, this thing, I'm not sure if it weighs 15 pounds. Pretty crazy. Damn, dude, I didn't know you was this fancy, dude.
You like that?
Yeah. That's pretty slick.
It's a little added feature.
Yeah. You don't need a back seat in the Mustang anyway.
No.
Yeah, I like that. I guess we need to show up under the hood again, don't we?
Yeah.
They hadn't seen it in a while.
You can do that.
Oh, sure. Alright, Bill, you got some dust over here. You got some dust in here you need to clean up a little bit. Was it cold nature today?
Yes. Very.
Yeah. So dyno shoot out a Ford takeover.
Yes, sir.
Whoa.
See what kind of numbers he puts down.
Hey, don't come with that giant pulley though.
Yeah.
You need a pulley about this big.
It still makes power with that giant pulley.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these look great. Check them out here. Yeah.
They almost like them Fox body seats. They ain't, you know,
Yeah.
full black. You know what
Right.
I mean, it's got a...
Yeah, like a charcoal almost.
Those look real nice.
Yeah, those look good. Hey, we just pimped your ride. No.
Yeah, we did.
No, that looks good.
So you don't have to buy parts sometimes.
Exactly.
Your friends just got them.
Just
want to swap.
bolt them on and go.
New to you, huh? Get that right.
Exactly.
Let's see how
I guess we got to do the Coyote next and get this thing out of here. It'll be done, right?
What can do you want? 1, 2, 3?
We got them all. Take your pick.
He wants a Megazilla.
A Megazilla? That'd be cool too. Yeah.
With a 6.8 in
Yeah. Comfortable? They got they're a little tighter on the bolster than the other ones. Oh yeah, you race car life now.
Yeah.
it. It ain't rubbing the door panel.
No, the other ones were wider actually.
Sweet. All right, boys, check it in. Progress. Engine's all together, ready to get on the K-member. When we gonna do this? A couple weeks?
Soon.
Yeah. Get this thing done, get it out of here. That'll be a nice little ride. Little Edelbrock Performer heads. I don't know how they painted them silver, but it is what it is. Who's making all this racket out here? Damn. Man, this thing's noisy.
Yeah.
Man. Cold natured a little bit. All right, she finally warmed up. Yeah. Hear that choppy chop. I freaking love it. All right, boys, that is pretty much going to wrap it up. Again, it's the holidays. Content's going to be a little slow, but always going to have something epic for you, as epic as possible. And so I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.